Here's what to do before you automate the dang funnel in Kit. And spoiler alert, it's not set up more tags. Hey, my name is Brad from creatorengines.com. We build email systems that sell while you sleep. But I'm not gonna do it for someone who hasn't sold their offer while awake. So if you're thinking about automation, let's back up a bit. Let me tell you about Johnny, fake name by the way. Smart dude, clear voice, good ideas, knew his audience, kinda. He booked a call. Said he wanted an evergreen engine, something tight, clean, sophisticated. It sounds like exactly what we do. So I said, great, what are we selling? Well, he said, well, I've got a few ideas. So we spent 2 hours mapping, ideating, unpacking, untangling, and when it was over, he felt great. He said, thanks, man. I'll circle back when I've got more clarity. Translation, free coaching session complete. Cool guy, not a client. And honestly, that one was on me because he didn't need an automated funnel in Kit. He needed to go make an offer, a higher ticket offer, to say it out loud to a real person with a price and hear a yes or a no. Automation doesn't fix vagueness, it magnifies it. So here's my professional advice. Before you automate a dang thing, do this instead. Make one clear offer. Sell it once, sell it again. Answer objections with your face, your mouth, not a 7-part email sequence. Find out what actually makes people buy, then write that into your funnel. Because once you know what works, then we can bake it into an engine, a smart one that adjusts, responds, and knows what they've seen, clicked, ignored, and bought. That's the kind of system I build. Not a funnel, an engine. And yes, our builds start at $7,000 and they go up from there. But our clients like Chloe, Scott, JP, just to name a few recent ones, they make it all back and pocket the rest. Ongoing, evergreen in the background while they're writing, filming, flying helicopters over the Amazonian jungle, resting, living, raising kids. So if you've already sold something and you're ready to scale without babysitting your email marketing, let's talk. If you're still into noodling, take your time, validate it, and come back when you're ready to install a machine. I'll be here, keyboard warm, kit open, ready to build.